Time to go in Ikea. Let's go.
Just go to the stairs.
Time to get some Ikea. That's cute. The cafeteria looks so cute. Time to try some meatballs.
Oh, that's
Wow.
first time, yeah?
So Mama, how was the food? See, I told you.
Now what is that's not
Oh,
rice.
garlic
No,
bread
rice.
and French
That's the
That's the
fries.
quinoa. Let's go eat.
Oh, Dad, you crazy. Come on, people are coming. Get me one too. How do I do this?
And then
Looks good. That one's mine, babe. I want. Take care of the goods, Lance. Don't spill it.
Don't know where to go.
Ooh, IKEA for lunch. How is it? Good, Lance.
These furnitures are great.
Edmund looks like he's enjoying his. Let's eat. Yeah, you. You're just, you can fit. I didn't say you're a baby. Oh. Whoa, Lance turned into an egg. That's funny. He's gone. This place is so cool. Yeah, Edward?
Yeah.
Spin you? Can I? Oh yeah, I can.
I'm gonna get sick anyway.
Is that a real pizza or is it a prop pizza?
It's a prop.
Let's get out.
Edmund, what are you cooking for us?
Trash.
Trash.
Hot trash.
Trash.
Oh!
Wow, and just like that, everything is being put into place. Taking down all these blinds.
see the blind for my sister, the bathroom.
And adding
see through
new
the window.
blinds.
He's recording.
Excuse me kindly, Anne. Let's go see the things that we got from IKEA for my room. Ooh, there's my bath towel that my mom got for me. Nice and soft. Oh, you're building it now, Edward?
Yeah. Sounds so winded.
Shut up. I'm tired of stairs, okay? So, here's a comforter. And then our lamp. And Edward got a night
I'm winded.
desk.
I'm winded. I really need water.
Okay, I'll grab your water. BRB. There it is. Setting up our lamp. It matches the bed. I like it. It's cute.
The house is shaking.
It is shaking. Wow!
Wow, I like it.
You like it, Mom?
It's so simple.
It
See,
is.
simplicity is the best.
Yeah, try to do it. How come it's yellowish, or is that just the painting on the wall?
Wait.
No,
This is a
simple.
smart one.
Simple is the best. It's a smart light.
Yeah.
How do you work it?
Edward's gonna do it right now.
Can you do the downstairs too then?
Well, you need to get the light bulb.
It's downstairs. I have a smart light.
Oh, wow.
It's flashing. It's like a dancing light though.
Cool. Here's Edward's next project. Building his nightstand that he chose. I wanted it brown. I don't like black, Edward.
All racist.
Skylar. Share with Kylie Ann, okay?
Okay.
You can turn on the light too. Do you like it, Skylar?
Yeah.
Go turn on the light. His lights turn on.
Here's the lights.
Wow, I got blinds. So many things on the first day. Bed sheets, lamp, nightstand, blinds, all coming together. Wow! Thank you, Papa and Uncle Mao and Edmund. Wow, it's nice.
The sun comes in.
Wow. House tip.
On the ground for half my life.
Yes, Edmund, yes.
Can I lay down?
Yeah. Do you like it, Kylie? Isn't it nice? I love white bed sheets. I just hope I don't dirty it or stain it.
All of this is cheap.
What?
This is cheap.
This is cheap. Yeah, but it's comfortable. Dad and Uncle Mal is on the table or on the counter. Oh, Richie, you're really fitting in here, yeah?
Dragging the cord.
He's dragging the cord. Why?
Yeah,
Here we spot Richie in his natural habitat. Watch out.
Down the street in my 6'4".
This is where we're having dinner for the first night in Vegas. Let's eat because I'm hungry.
Nothing? Right? You copy? No.
You okay, Richie?
You want ramen with them? No.
Having a hard time deciding. Yeah. Time to eat. The only thing I could eat here. Egg.
Okay, I'm gonna grab that mackerel. What's mackerel?
Here you go. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Everything looks great. Look at those cute little tacos.
That's why I was like, yeah.
Whoa, look at that pork belly. Listening. These foods are deliciously looking. Time to try them. This is Edmund's and Edward's.
What is that shit? Yeah. Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm done with this one.
Yeah. Better be. Wait, your other taco never came in yet.
What other taco?
You guys ordered one taco each, right?
Yeah, we shared one. We shared it.
What is that? What the heck? I don't know. Good morning. That was a great first sleep in the new house. Let's go wake up the other baby. This baby's awake. Good morning, Skylar. Let's see if the princess is awake.
matches up perfectly.
Hi, Kylie-Ann.
I gotta use my.
Peekaboo, baby.
Boo, what's it?
Are you ready to wake up? No.
First shorts came off.
Stop running away from me. She's like rolling away from me.
Oh, I find it.
Yeah, you stinky. Come, Kylie, give me a hug. I want a morning hug. What are you doing, Skylar? Huh? Huh?
Is it eye camera?
Yeah?
There?
Yeah. Kylie, look at Skylar. He's being, he loves the camera.
That's what I did last night. So I was going to have. I gotta go Fremont. Why can't you just go at Main Street?
Skylar's recording now.
I was like, oh no, because I always go to Main Street. I mean Fremont because I get my
Go film
the
Kylie.
Basic 7. So I got this
Look,
one.
she's hiding.
And then look, I got another one. So that's 300, and this is 300 again.
Oh my goodness. Auntie Amy winning so much.
And then
Skylar's taking over the vlogs now.
then I got. So this is the 300.
Wow.
One banana.
Oh my
And
goodness.
then this is
Jeez.
200.
You and Mama lucky. Well, I don't know about Mama.
She called at 1:30 in the morning. We told her.
Good morning.
Banana.
Banana time for breakfast.
Yeah.
Oh, how did you do that?
No, I don't like bananas. No.
She doesn't like bananas? What kind of baby doesn't like bananas?
Rich is getting it.
Minions like bananas.
Are you calling me a minion?
Oh, monkey.
What? You calling me a monkey? Good morning, sunshine. Banana?
Where's the rest of the bananas?
In the fridge.
Why is it in the fridge?
I didn't put it in the fridge. It was already there. Skylar, are you okay?
Yeah, but I need milk.
Okay, I'm coming. Look where I'm at. Well, this is a first. Thanks to that guy right there. Getting it for his friends. Whoa! Cool. It doesn't work for me. Whoa, look at these. That's nuts. These are all weed. They look good. And then we got pork belly over there. Yes. Oh, yeah.
Are you gonna eat that?
Wow. Like the wedding all over again.
Slowly, don't hit on the car.
I got it.
You don't.
I got it.
She got it.
I got it.
She got it.
I got it.
Okay, she's okay. She's okay, guys. She just had a little too much soju. Remember, kids, always drink water with your soju and hydrate yourself.
Pace yourself.
Pace yourself.
Don't drink and drive.
Yes. And then So it's our second night in the house, and I am babysitting the kids while the adults is going gambling. And somebody requested milk.
This is how you make milk.
We also still have Edward's brownie that should honestly eat.
Yeah. No, I'll make it.
We don't have no more TV. We have to call the TV man.
Anything you want, Kylie? Water, milk? Yeah, go ahead, open it up. Show everyone again. This is from California, not Sperry.
How'd I do this?
That's your own fault.
No, it was on the floor upside. I mean, I was on the table
It's
upside.
still fine.
Yes.
Good?
I missed it.
Kylie, you want to try a bite of Edward's brownie? What do you think, Kylie?
Go.
Good? Okay, I have to cut you a piece though, because you're sick. I mean, I know Edward's sick, but I don't know. 2 sick doesn't make a good thing.
You cough on me, Edward.
Wow.
You.
Cause right now I almost
Getting better.
yeah.
Okay, here, try it. Try the brownie.
Just bite the whole thing. What are you doing?
It's good.
Have some milk with it.
Maybe you want some?
Yeah, hold on. I'm just recording the kids.
Just put in your mouth. Put some
Drink some milk.
in there.
Kylie, well, grab a paper towel. I'll cut you a piece.
Good?
Yeah.